As they say, ladies first, I'm going to start by introducing her. And I remember meeting her a year and a half ago. I remember very poised, very polished, extremely well spoken, and she can truly sing so stunningly that she can blow your mind. She was beautiful and truly is a star, just like her name suggests. Please welcome the gorgeous Tara Sutaria. At the risk of being accosted eventually online, so I'm going to just say it. She's somebody I have known ever since she was 2 years old. But that is not the reason why she's in the film. Again, if you believe me, that is. She is somebody I've literally seen grow up, and she was always had this spunky spirit, always had this desire in her eyes to kind of walk into the limelight and onto celluloid. She's somebody that I believe really passionately got excited when she was told that she was going to be a part of the film. Please welcome Ananya Panday. All right, now's the moment that we've all been waiting for. All right, so he needs, as I've said time and again, y'all have already given him so much love that he needs no introduction. So I won't say any further. He, as I've said, is a force of nature. What he does, no one, and I repeat, no one can do. Please welcome Tiger Shroff. All right, so I'm going to ask everyone one question before I open it up to all of you in the house. Puneet, what does it feel like?
To be honest, I'm too excited. I'm too excited. I think the film's turned out really well.
That's nice to hear from you.
I have to keep.
Lovely. I love that you gave the feedback for yourself. That's wonderful.
I have to. To be honest, I was very nervous when we started. I was working with Tiger for the first time. When I met him first, I thought he's going to punch me. Baghi had just released them. I met Tara and Ananya again, and they were really young kids who had come out of school. So I felt like a school teacher with them. But I just loved the energy that came on set eventually, how we all came together. And I think that's really translated for whatever it's worth.
That's great. Puneet, young people like you and me really need to make films just like this. But you've done a terrific job, and thank you for all the hard work you put into the franchise.
Thank you, Karan.
Tara, gorgeous, stunning Tara. This is your introduction into the movies. Firstly, welcome to the movies. And what does the moment feel like today?
Honestly, Karan, this moment feels surreal. The last year has been surreal. But today, guys, did you like the trailer? This has been the best day of my life. Thank you so much, Karan. I'm so excited.
All right, lovely. And we're very excited to have you in the film, and we look forward to lots more work in the company and see you shine everywhere.
Thank you.
Ananya, I can't believe that I'm seeing you on stage. Like, I feel like I'm getting all kinds of daddy feelings here, because I've literally seen Ananya play in this little garden at Mannat, running around with the other kids, with Aryan and Suhana and everybody else, and now she's here looking beautiful and a lead actress in this film. What is it feeling like, Ananya?
It feels like a dream. I've seen so many interviews of other people at their trailer launches, and I've just I can't imagine that I'm here, and this feels so weird. Like, everyone's like this during trailer launches, and it's actually like that. So I just have no words. I'm just too excited. I hope you all enjoyed the trailer.
They're enjoying as we speak. And Tiger, we save the best for last. Tiger, like I said, that you're so strong in your skill set and everything you do. When you face the camera, it's like you were born for it. And today, when you see yourself up there, what does it feel like with all the love coming your way as well?
First of all, I want to thank all of you for giving me so much more than I deserve. So thank you all for the love, and it's because of you that I have the strength to fly. So thank you so much for being my strength. It feels, I truly don't believe that I was born for this. I've really put in a lot of effort, and you know, I credit it all to the people I work with, my team. For example, in this case, you and Puneet, and of course the dynamic duo over here. So it's a huge team effort, and I'm very, very grateful that I've got this opportunity to finally work with Dharma. It's my first film, and what better film than Student of the Year to start off my collaboration with you.
All right,
Thank you so
Tiger.
I love you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay, now that's Tiger saying all the right things. Now we've got to get some wrong things out of him as well, okay? That's our endeavor today, which I tried. All right, we won't put him on the spot anymore. I think if he blushes anymore, it'll look like he look one big tomato. All right, ladies and gentlemen, and members of the media, I'm going to open the questions to all of you. Here we have the producers, the director, and the wonderful lead cast of Student of the Year.
अनन्या एंड तारा अनन्या एंड तारा आपके राइट में हाय। सबसे पहले तो आज का दिन कितना खास है आप लोगों के लिए एंड इस दिन का कितना बेसब्री से इंतजार था अनन्या एंड तारा।
Firstly, I just want to thank the media and all the photographers. You have been so kind to me and so warm towards me. So thank you so much. And this day, honestly, it's like a dream. I still feel like I'm going to wake up in the morning and like, I don't know, this is not going to be real. So this is very, very, very surreal for me. And I'm just too grateful to Karan and to Puneet and to, I just have...
As long as you keep coming out of airports and gyms, the photographers and members of the media will be very kind to you. Don't worry about it. Just keep that exit going. All right, Tara.
No, I think like Ananya said, हम सब के लिए today has been so special. बहुत ही खास दिन है हम सब के लिए. We're very excited. I'm so happy to see the reaction of everyone to the trailer, and we're just so excited for the film. So thank you guys so much for coming out today. It means the world.
टाइगर जी बहुत ही अच्छा ट्रेलर है लेकिन जब भी कोई लड़की आपको प्रिंसेस बुलाती है तो क्या फीलिंग होती है?
देखो मुझे तो आदत है बचपन से मैं मेरी बहन के साथ बहुत झगड़ता था तो you know she used to bully me in you know these ways so yeah it's not the first time.
Yeah, Tiger this side. Tiger this
Sorry,
side.
कहाँ पर
Yeah,
मैम?
yeah, इधर.
Yeah, hi.
मेरा प्रश्न ये है कि इस तरीके की जो मतलब इस क्योंकि लोगों ने स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर पहला सीरीज़ देखा, ये दूसरा है, तो इसमें एक बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज है कि आपको उससे इसको और भी बेटर करना है, तो आपने उसको कैसे किया और क्या आपकी तरफ से क्या तैयारियां थी?
देखो बेटर तो मैं कंपेयर नहीं करना चाहूँगा. हम लोग एक अलग पिक्चर बनाए ऑल टुगेदर. आई थिंक यू विल हैव द फ्लेवर्स ऑफ स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर वन डेफिनेटली, बट टू ऐड टू दैट I've done my best to bring in what you know people know me for, and I've sort of gotten little tigerism to my character, and I'm very thankful to Puneet who gave me a lot of scope to you know express myself in that manner. And इस फिल्म में अगर आपने ट्रेलर में नोट किया तो the sports that we have are very different. We're introducing kabaddi, I think, for the first time on celluloid in Bollywood, so I think that's a very interesting world. Thank you. So yeah, that's all.
Hi everyone, Bhavna this side from Zio on your left. Hi, very cool trailer. हाँ, congratulations. Usually जब हम सुपरस्टार्स की फिल्म सिंगल स्क्रीन पे देखने जाते हैं तो डायलॉग्स नहीं सुनाई देते थैंक्स टू विसल एंड हूटिंग, और वो ये ट्रेलर में हुआ. इतना एक्सपेक्ट किया था आप लोगों ने? हाउ इज दिस फीलिंग?
Who are you asking, man?
All of us.
See,
डायलॉग किसने बोले थे? तुमने मैक्सिमम लोग नहीं बोले थे, तुम ही जवाब दे दो. मेरे डायलॉग पे कोई तालियां नहीं बजती.
Well, it's a fantastic feeling. Again, I'd like to credit the makers for that. It was Puneet's brainchild, and you know this line "Din tera tha, saal mera hoga" was stemmed from him. So thank you, Puneet sir, for giving me that
I
dialogue.
also want to tell you the film is co-directed by Tiger. So
Yeah, so I wanted to get the
Yeah,
trailers.
yeah.
All right, okay.